Welcome to Lesson 24, Fairytale Mode. Join Benny as he travels up a tall beanstalk. Along the way, he will find a surprise mystery that will save the day. Benny and the Magic Beans.
Benny.
Yes.
Remember to buy bread and beans for dinner.
I know. Okay, Mom.
Benny walked to the market.
Everything cost a lot of money at this market.
Benny could only buy 3 items. He bought 2 pieces of bread. Now he needed beans.
Excuse me, I need to buy beans.
Okay, 1 minute, please. Yes, can I help you?
I only have 1 coin left. I need to buy beans.
Okay, I understand. Give me the coin.
Here.
Thank you. Now I will go get the beans.
Okay.
Here.
Thanks.
You welcome. Those are magic beans.
Wow, magic beans?
Yes. Plant them. You will get more.
Okay, I will.
But remember, do not let anyone take your beans.
Why?
There is a marshmallow monster stealing from people.
Oh, okay, I understand. I will be careful. Bye.
Bye.
Benny returned home and started to plant the beans. The plant grew fast. It grew taller and taller. Benny climbed up the beanstalk.
Wow, a castle.
Benny wanted to visit this castle, so he went to take a look.
Castle.
The door was open, so he quietly walked inside. Once inside the castle, Benny saw the marshmallow monsters eating pizza. He also saw the stolen money. The marshmallow monster and his friends stole this money from the town. Benny left, feeling sad. But then he had an idea. First, he would tell the townspeople what he saw. And second, he will go retrieve the stolen money. And so he climbed down the beanstalk back to town.
Town. I found your money. The marshmallow man and his friends has it. First, I will go get your money. Second, I need the beanstalk cut down forever.
I can help too. I have a plan.
Thank you, Rapunzel.
Rapunzel, a girl who had long hair. She was very helpful.
Okay, Rapunzel, let's go to the beanstalk.
They climbed up the beanstalk. At the top of the beanstalk, they arrived at the castle.
Hurry, Benny. Let's go find the stolen money.
Here is the stolen money.
Wow. Okay, let's go. The marshmallow monsters are coming.
Okay. Stop. Get out my house. Put my money back.
Said the marshmallow monster.
Oh no.
Come, follow me. I have a plan. I will go upstairs and throw the money out the window. You meet me outside.
Okay, I will lead the monsters this way. Then I will meet you on the other side of the castle.
Okay, good luck. See you soon. Oh my. Where are you, Benny? Benny, Benny.
Rapunzel, I'm okay. You can come down now.
Okay, I'm on my way down.
Meanwhile, the marshmallow monsters were looking for Benny and Rapunzel. Rapunzel quickly ran to the beanstalk. Rapunzel followed Benny, and Benny threw the money down the beanstalk. The marshmallow monsters followed Benny and Rapunzel down the beanstalk. The townspeople cheered, and they were happy to have their money back. The police officers arrested the marshmallow monsters. The next day, the beanstalk was cut down, and Benny helped Rapunzel cut her hair. She was happy. And the townspeople were also happy that they got their stolen money back.